Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Wild Animals Online, and we're going to be doing, we're going to be camel, and well, I don't really know what we're going to be doing, but hopefully it's fun. I'm going to see where to put this, right here. That's great. Yep. Grand, wonderful, let's go. So, I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to find a good server, so I'm going to be right back. See you there. Nope. 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 No. I can't attack other players, so nope. No. Nah. Not gonna work. Nope. Huh, you never knew there was 2 different Amazons. Well, well, I'm pretty sure there's 50. 50 billion. Can I hit this person? I want to hit this person. Can I hit you? I want to hit him. But he's too fast. No, come back. Come back. Okay. I'm gonna be right back again. Trying to catch that person. Yeah. Well, that ended well enough. I'm dead. That worked out. I'm just gonna... Yep, this works. Group battle totally works. I'll be back there. So, I guess so. Oppo, come on, Oppo. Why did he stop? Yeah, how about you come help me? Is that a person?
Yeah, that person is a noob.
Is that person a noob or what? You. Yes, you can hit me. Ha. Come on, let's attack. Attack! Is this pointless or something? I can't get this person. No, you just made me waste that. No! Bad fox. Wolf, fox. That. Well, I'm good because I lost and they lost. I'm going to be back in a different server. You know what? I'm going to kill, murder. Ah, it's a bear. Small animals that are easy and not fast. That are easy.
I said that are easy. Where are the easy ones? I'm gonna check.
This works. I bet I can get great loot from this. I bet this can get me a lot of loot. Come on, the good loot. Eek, ook, ook, eek, ak. This person thinks he's strong, he's weak. How is he so easy to kill though? Hey, Zicko. You're on YouTube, Zicko. Yeah, now you're listening. Can I kill you and hit you a whole bunch? Thanks. No. Why do I still do this? I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I have a good idea. That person's mad. Linux. Yeah, I do a lot of. I did not mean that. I did not mean that. I did not mean that. I did not mean to hit you, person. I'll be back trying to find a better game to play. Look at this. I don't know why I play this game, but it's cute. It's the only reason why I play it. It's kind of a bad game. Hey, I still play it. I still play it. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I don't. If you guys can use comments, can you comment down below what I should do for more better content? I need to know better content. What I should be doing. Just list a few games and I'll pick one out and I guess shout out that person probably. But yeah, if there's comments, I'm going to check if there's comments very, very soon. I just need to upload this video because this is one of my only videos. Well, I'm gonna go, so make sure you comment down below better content I should be doing, and bye.